Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Agri Adhyapak. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and join us on Telegram channel to get free materials and other updates. Links are in the description. We are providing online course at very affordable price. For more details, visit our website www.agriadhyapak.com and approach us through WhatsApp at 7845 765498. Thank you.
Hello students, hope you all are doing great. Today I would like to explain on the topic called classification of fertilizers. In other words, we can say the forms of fertilizers. So before we enter into the forms of fertilizer and to the definition, I would like to give a little introduction on fertilizer. So the first on fertilizer, the research was done by the scientist called Fritz Haber. He is from Germany in the year 1909, and for simultaneously, the scientist called Carl Bosch also has done some research on the same fertilizer, the fertilizer called nitrogen, which is related to ammonia. So ammonical fertilizer they have done. So these are the two scientists, they have done much research on this fertilizer in the year 1909, but evidence says that before 175 years they have done some research on fertilizer, but these are the scientists who has done a good research on the fertilizer. That's why we study about the Haber-Bosch process on manufacturing of fertilizer nitrogen. So if you want in detail about the history of fertilizer, how it has come and all, I'll share the entire topic in the groups, so you can follow there. So if you are not in the group, you can add into the group by texting to me through WhatsApp. The number called 7845 765498. So let us see the term fertilizer, the definition. So fertilizer is defined as any material which is natural or synthetic originated added to the soil to supply one or more plant nutrients. So it may be natural or synthetic which is added to the soil for the plant growth and development, that we can consider as fertilizer. You know, there are many synthetic fertilizers, but still nitrogen we call organic fertilizer, we say. Nitrogen we call urea, especially we call organic fertilizer. So let us see what are the forms of fertilizer. So the forms of fertilizer which are three: straight fertilizer, complex fertilizer and mixed fertilizer. This is based on the number of fertilizers or the nutrients which are present in the fertilizer, but there are based on the what is the chemical or the nutrient which is in the fertilizer also we can classify, like phosphoric fertilizer, nitrate fertilizer and also potassic fertilizer. But these are the number of nutrients which are present in the fertilizer based on which we are classifying. Those straight fertilizer means in any fertilizer only one nutrient will be in the fertilizer, that we can say straight fertilizer. Example: urea, phosphorus and potash. In urea we see 46% of nitrogen, in SSP phosphorus and MOP potash. And the next one is complex fertilizer. Complex fertilizer is not only two fertilizers, two or more plant nutrients which are in the fertilizer, that we can say complex fertilizer. The example is DAP, diammonium phosphate, in which so nitrogen will be in the form of ammonia as well as the phosphorus also will be in the same fertilizer, so that we call complex fertilizer. So the next one is mixed fertilizer. Mixed fertilizer, we don't have any ready-made fertilizer in the form of mixed fertilizer, but either straight fertilizer or complex fertilizer, organically or physically we are going to mix them before we apply into the field. So please listen carefully. Mixed fertilizers are the fertilizers which are physically mixed together before we apply into the field. Those fertilizers may be straight fertilizer, complex fertilizer. Any of these fertilizers we mix, two or more fertilizers we mix together before we go for application. You may ask the question, why mixed fertilizers are not available in ready-made form? So the reason is, if we add two or more fertilizers, maybe straight fertilizer, they'll have the chemical reaction one another and they'll start melting. So to avoid that, they don't mix or blend the fertilizers to one another in ready-made form. But before we apply to the crop, we can mix them together and immediately we can apply. So though in the farmer field also, after they mix the straight fertilizer one another, we should not keep for a long time. On the same day we have to go for application of fertilizer into the crop. That is all about the mixed fertilizer. Hope you like the class. If you like the class, please like the video and please subscribe and do support. Thank you so much.